Here, Karen. Say hi.
She did. Okay, then never mind. Oh my God, look at that. Hill, how are you? Hi. Craziness.
And what's your name?
Julie.
Julie, I'm Kevin. That's Karen.
Hi, Karen. Hi. Yeah, the branch landed on your car.
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah.
Watch out.
I didn't really land on it.
Yeah.
Hey Julie, what's these branches above you?
Oh my God, I'm gonna get it.
You try to use a branch? Yes.
Getting stuck.
Olivia, say hi.
Just go for this stack.
You guys should change off. Let her use the shovel for a minute, and then you can rest. I'll come out and help in a minute.
Right here.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
You use the handle. We've never shoveled before.